Every day we're bombarded by headlines of violence and war. Millions of people experience social unrest and conflict in their own backyards, their communities, their countries. Yet, against all odds, inspiring young professionals are doing something about it. They're pushing back for peace.
2014, I gave up my job and I started going back in the communities, fully as a non-violent communication trainer.
I created a community support center in 2016. I led that. I need to give back what I missed when I was a child.
Our group, the MENA Coalition on Peace and Security, work on the impact of young people and the participation of young people to be part of the decision-making, especially of peace building and peace agreement and peace intervention and processes in all of their stages.
In its first year, our Young Peacebuilders Program seeks to become an annual program that supports such groups of diverse young change agents to connect for mutual support, to apply a new language and tools for leading change together, and to build peace from the inside out through concrete community initiatives. Listen to some of their stories. Thank you.